Okay, so we're going to try going from TDGauge into Tideda. The first thing we need to do is open up our database, and your one is this one here. So you need to find out where it's sitting on your C drive or server, and mine's with the Samoan data files. Once we open that, it'll put a folder in here, or it looks like a little cabinet, and we can open this up for the different areas. And here's your main island here. What was one we looked at yesterday? Was it this one here, East Intake? So let's just choose, say, our gauging at the end here that hasn't been uploaded. So we can list it, have a look at it, see how it looks. But we want to do the two Tideda part. So to do this, we need to tell it which Tideda list file to go to. So I'm just going to browse. I've created this even.txt one, which is sitting under those files, so we can put it. Let's put it in there. You can make any name you like under any directory. I'm not going to append this time. I'm going to I want to write it. So if there's anything in that file, it will just overwrite it. So it's picked up the site number here, and you can see the 15 gauging items below. Once we're happy with that, 15 items, yeah, that's correct. And you can see the site number there. I'm just going to go OK. When I hit OK, it's going to write these 15 items to this text file here. So I'm just going to go OK there. So that's the end of that part, and then we want to go back to Tideda. So in Tideda, let's open up one of these new files which I've created. Let's go with, say, Emma's working file here. So at the moment it'll open up, but there won't be anything in it. There's nothing in it at the moment. So we want to pick up this gauging. So entry list to Tideda, fully specified. We're going to go and search for, browse for that text file. And where did I put it? We had trouble yesterday doing this. Yes, it was under there, but I need to, because it's picking up just the ed files, let's look at all the files. And in this case, there's my third, that's today, even.txt file. So I'm going to select that. So that puts that into up here. You can't see it, but if I scroll along, see it there. You can even edit it, have a look at it. Here it is in Notepad, exactly how we saw it back in TDGauge with the site number and the 15 items. Once we're happy with that, check where it's going. Now in this case, I want the destination to be the same as the source file, which is this Tideda working Emma one. So I just go along, looks, it's a long name, this one, there it is there. So it's a working Emma file, so that's my destination, that's my list file. Once I've done that, I hit OK. It's saying that it's merged data into this your file here, Emma NTD, there's a site number. So I should be able to now go and select that site. There'll only be one site in there, and there's only a gauging file showing up. One gauging here, and we could list that to the screen, 15 items, and you see all the items coming in, stage, flow, area, velocity, right through to date and time down the end. It hasn't got any labels because we haven't put the edited the attributes, but that's how you bring it through. It's just a case of selecting your gauging here to Tideda, puts it in a text file. Once I've hit OK, go back into here, entry, list to Tideda, fully specified. Make sure you're picking up the right text file, the right destination file, hitting OK. Done.